Good day everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel, Nora and Noe Vlogs. And if you are new to our channel, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and press the subscribe button and the notification bell to keep you updated. Today's video is about sharing an act of kindness. In our last vlog, we chose Bayan ng Kaigjukan, a place where my husband, Noy, grew up as a place to share our blessings with. Ngayon naman po, we chose another place. This time, the place is very close to my heart because it's a place where I grew up, my family, my siblings. Napakasarap magbalik tanaw o sariwain ng mga lugar at mga bagay na nagdulot ng saya sa ating buhay. Ang mataas na paaday ng Manuel Rojas, where we used the bleachers of the Amaranta Stadium as our high school classrooms. Ang Santo Domingo Parish Church, kung saan ako nagtrabaho ng matagal-tagal din namang panahon. And of course, ang General Street, San Francisco del Monte, Quezon City, o ang barangay Santa Cruz, na kung saan kami nalumaki, nagkamalay, naglaro at nagkaroon ng maraming kaibigan. How can I forget those times way back then when we played simple games like Luksong Tinik, Luksong Baka, Sipa, Patintero, and how happy I was, especially every time we won the games like Holland, Goma, Tex, kung saan our kababatas will run after us to ask for balatos. Kaya, pero sobrang saya. Those games don't exist anymore, or maybe it still exists, but the memories always lingers on. At syempre pa, higit sa lahat, the memories we've had with our parents when they were still alive, those memories will always have a special place in our hearts. We won't ever forget this place, Barangay Santa Cruz, na kung saan kami nagsimulang mangarap, hawak kamay na inarapang saya, ang lungkot, at anumang pagsubok na dumating sa aming mag-anak. And before we watch the video, allow me to thank our dearest brother Andy na siyang naging punong abala, nagasikaso ng lahat-lahat, although he's been doing this in the past, sampu ng kanyang asawang si Josie at ng kanyang anak na si MJ, at sa lahat po ng nakiisa at nakibahagi upang ang proyektong ito ay maisakatuparan. I also would like to thank in a very special way my siblings here in Canada, my sister Malu and her husband Emil, June and his family, Roy and his family, and my nephew Brian and his family for sharing with us to make this project possible. Sa kaibuturan po ng aming puso, maraming salamat. At ngayon po, sabay-sabay nating panoorin ang mga kaganapan sa aming pinakamamahal na barangay na pinamagatang Pamaskong Handog ng Pamilya Rizano sa Barangay Santa Cruz.
Sponsor, nag-sponsor sa akin mga pag-isama kay Ate Neg at kay Amy, kay Ate Beta, kay Noy, kay Kuya John at Ate Irma, kay Roy at saka Jen, and Brian at saka Brian and Janet. Subscribe lang kayo sa channel ng Leo sa sponsor. Yung Nor and Noy Vlogs. Yung sa next sponsor. Salamat, Merry Christmas. Mamaya na.
Tapos na ba si Kaykay?
Tapos na.
Masaya, masaya, masaya. Ba't ka masaya? O, Jollibee. Sandali lang para makalive. Sandali lang na, magla-live tayo na kasi sponsor natin. Para tayo na, wala mo naman kulo ha. Sabi mo kaya hindi Jollibee ka na naman.
Dalawa na. Ay, ganun.
Ay, siyempre, apo ko to, padadala ko sa tatay niya, no? Ay, mo nung sikat ka.
100. Darat yan. Ay, sa. Ah. Ay. Salamat, matatapos na rin.
Nabidyo ko lang yung kay Jared, tsaka...
Isang daan po ninyo, tsaka yung saya. Ba't nag-20 hindi na kaya? Ito lang eh. Pag isandaan na saya.
Apo, salamat ka. Apo, salamat ka. Yay! Thank you po.
Kaya nakuha ni tayo, Ray.
Stop. Ilan yung stop pa? Edward, agay mo na. Ito na muna sa kanya. Gano'n na muna.
sawa dyan.
Two? Two daw, two?
This is Vicky.
Ah! One more, one more. One more.
Okay, tumitigil ang pila.
Wow!
Say thank you, Maddie.
My God. Matulog kasi ganitong oras na yun. Di ba nasa-save yun? Oo, makikita nila yun.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Sa Facebook na lang kasi pag na-save yun, makikita rin nila yun. Oh my God.
Wala rin sandaan, sorry.
Ay, parang bilang ah.
Wala rin ano.